Proactive Health is a new type of health and wellness company that has everything you need to be your healthiest. Proactive Health founder Joyce Stevenson-Laws has been working in healthcare for over 30 years. And her passion for healthcare really started from personal experiences with family members and business partners, having these serious illnesses like cancer, hypertension, and diabetes. And so you as a client, when you come into Proactive Health, this passion you'll really notice because we believe that if you're more proactive about your health and you understand your body and what you need to do to be your healthiest, then you might be able to prevent some of these more serious illnesses and diseases. Or if you do get them, you might have better outcomes with your treatment because you're already in a healthy place.
Here at Proactive Health, education is at our core. We have a wide array of services. We have personal health assessments, we have professional guidance from doctors, nutritionists, personal trainers. We also have membership plans that can help you keep you on track, encourage you, and help you through this process. Proactive Health is for people that don't want to leave their health to chance, people that have annoying ailments or fatigue that they want to address, people that are having a hard time losing weight, and people that want to make sure that they stay healthy.
We're about wellness care, not sickness care. You want to be proactive about your health, not reactive about your health. We have innovative testing to find out what your body is telling you. We have all the tools in-house, from non-toxic products, minerals, vitamins, all your healthcare service products.
Right now we're offering our clients a free in-store consultation in Santa Monica or Sherman Oaks. Just go online at phlabs.com to sign up. Enjoy your healthy life.